Hi guys, this is Thunder E from Booredatwork, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Windows Phone to 8.1. Now this is applicable to every single Windows Phone out there, even your HTC 8X, your Nokia 520 and all that stuff. So we'll show you how 8.1 runs on the 520. Alex is doing the update on that, so you'll see a video for him probably tomorrow or the day after. I'm just going to show you how to actually update your system. The update is available now, and it's a very simple process. You can do it on your 920, your 1520, your 1020. My 1020 is charging, so I'm not using that. But here it is, and I'll show you quite quickly. So the first thing you need to do is download this application. It's called Preview for Developers. That's the application you need to download. You download the application, you go through the setup, basically logging in with your Microsoft account and enabling Preview for Developers, and that's done. If your system isn't fully up to date, then you might need to do some updates. But once that is downloaded, all you have to do is go into your settings and go all the way to phone update, and you see, and basically search for update, and here it says update is ready for download. So it's downloading the update. It's just gonna download that for me. And over here on my 920, I've already done that. It tells me here, for some reason my screen is flickering on here, my 920, but my update is ready and I'm going to install it. So I'm going to do that, and we'll tell you how long it is, and we'll do a quick run through of Windows Phone 8.1. So the update just does take a while. It took about an hour or so. Went through a bunch of setups for the update. Also, as I mentioned, you can update on the 920. You go through things like accepting Microsoft details and things like that. If you already have a quick note of caution, if you have a micro SD card, I would suggest you take it out and format it, because you want to reformat your micro SD card. The update is here. You can see on my 920, which is flickering on screen. I don't know why, but you can also set up 3 home tile section, so that is possible. I won't show you that too much here. So let's use the 1520 for a good look at Windows Phone 8.1 update. So the first thing you notice is the live tiles. You can see the live tile now has that desktop background option in there, which is very nice. You can easily set that up. You do have your action center, which is of course your notification center. You have on the 1520, because it's a larger display, you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options there. On the 920, you're only given 4 options, and if you can see that clearly, but 4 options there on the top. You do have ability to go into your settings. You can of course close out certain blocks of notifications to come in, not individual notifications within each block, but since for instance we have Facebook here, we have 4 notifications. We can't take one out individually, but we can at least take off the whole thing. So we do have a notification center in here, which is nice. A couple of things to note: we will give you a full review, of course, of Windows 8.1 as well as Cortana, but a couple of things have been added here to the framework of Windows 8.1. You've got Data Sense, which is not available fully. You've also got Battery Saver, which basically allows you to go into each application that is running at the moment. For instance, I can go into Messenger and I can allow the app to run in the background. I can also allow this app to run when Battery Saver is on, so that I have a good customization of each application that is running at that time. And then you have your regular Battery Saver options, tells you when it would turn on, what next charge and things like that. So that's also a cool feature there. You've got Storage Sense. Storage Sense allows you to select storage location, especially with the 1520 that has a micro SD card option there. You can see that there. It says, if I zoom in a little closer, you should see it. It says 55 gigabytes free from the SD card. Windows 8.1 supports 128 gigabyte SD card, so you can actually use that on any device that supports micro SD and on the Windows device. Then let's take a look at a couple of things that we have here. Now, the new camera application is actually pretty nice. So the stock camera has been improved, and they've done a lot of things to allow the stock camera actually do a better job. So you can see here, you now have a photo mode, video mode, and a burst mode. Now the burst mode says it's in low resolution. All you do is tap, and it takes a block of photos for you. There are better camera options on the side, and you can easily access, let's say, your lenses, your front-facing camera, so on and so forth. So it's a nice thing that they've improved that, especially for devices like the HTC 8X, which uses the stock camera and not a Nokia-centric device altogether. Now, of course, the main new feature here, it's not the action center, it's not the desktop backgrounds, actually Cortana. And as we've seen with our Cortana hands-on, you can name Cortana. She can do a lot of things for you. She can set things up. She can also access different applications. We'll go through that in depth with the full review of Cortana, but just to give you a quick example here, open up Samurai Flamenco on Hulu.
Starting Samurai Flamenco.
There you go. So you can see it actually it's tied to third-party applications, so you can actually open up different things in third-party applications like TV shows on Hulu, different applications, or even check out what friends are doing and things like that. So Cortana really is quite in depth. It will go through that. We'll show you some of the reminders and all those different things, but I do like what I'm seeing so far, even though it's a beta. So altogether, Windows Phone 8.1 update is quite a robust update. Even though it's a 0.1 update, it has a lot of features there. There's really gone a long way to fine-tune what you have with this device. So one more thing I would like to show you is the new Flow keyboard, which allows you to basically use the swipe functionality. I'm just going to put a dummy text account here so we can actually type, and you can see here it works very well. And he is awesome. You've also got the emoticons that come up with certain words you type. So if I say I am playing a guitar, emoticon for a guitar will come up. So things like that, and we'll give you more in our full review, but just showing you a lot of the features that come with Windows Phone 8.1. I definitely suggest you go ahead and run this update, because there's a lot of stuff in here, and it's not one that's actually it's not a 0.1 update. It's more of like 8.5 update, if you will. You've got changes to your photo gallery in terms of the layout. You've also got changes to the calendar itself, so you do have a new calendar lookout, and many more changes you find throughout the system altogether. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or any comments, let us know. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and favorite this video. Also, do check out our giveaways. We do have one running now for the Intel Nook, so subscribe, like the channel, and this is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy entertainment.